A U.S. Department of Justice legal briefing has shed new light on the material seized from former President Donald Trump's Florida home earlier this month. The filing comes as a federal judge in Florida weighs whether or not to grant a request from the Trump legal team to appoint a neutral party to review the documents. Natalie Brand has the latest from Washington.
In an explosive new court filing, the Justice Department included this photo of classified documents, some clearly marked secret and top secret, seized in the August 8th search of former President Trump's Florida residence. The court filing also spelled out a possible case for obstruction of justice, raising questions about the Trump team's assertions that they had returned all classified material months before the FBI search. The DOJ says it developed evidence that government records were likely concealed and removed from the storage room, and that efforts were likely taken to obstruct the government's investigation.
This pleading gives a lot of details about the obstruction investigation, not only against the target of their investigation, but also as to other individuals who may have been assisting the target of their investigation.
The filing came in response to the Trump legal team's request for an independent attorney or special master to review the seized documents. A federal judge in Florida has scheduled a hearing for Thursday. Federal prosecutors vehemently argued against the appointment of a special master in the filing, saying it's unnecessary and would harm national security interests.
The Department of Justice did a very good job to fight back and refute any sort of need for a special master to review for executive privilege.
My father-in-law has said he has nothing to hide. He did nothing wrong.
Wednesday, the former president again said on his social media platform that he declassified the documents. But DOJ officials pushed back, arguing Trump's representatives didn't assert that he had declassified the documents when they returned some of them in June. And they say the presidential records do not belong to him. Natalie Brand, CBS News, Washington.
The DOJ argues that if a special master is appointed, he or she should be restricted to only assessing the former president's claims of attorney-client privilege. The Trump team faces a deadline later today to file its response.